All right, so good morning again. I'm back to you again. This time with Midweek Lotto. This sponsor Lotto channel. Like, comment, share the videos I show on the platform. I've discovered something from Midweek I want us to stake. So I want to share that on the platform. Wow. Wow. So this is what I've seen for Midweek Lotto. I discovered that 60 drop here. Midweek 2020, 60 drop here with 57 machines. So 57 meeting a number in winning. Counting with you will come and meet 7942. So this 7942 represents the addition of what? 121. Well, when that happens, as that counting with, you will see a certain number. So here is 73. So follow it, you see 44. So 44 is a certain 70 column opaque. Remember, this 73 is not the same as this 73. So a certain number drops. So the number is here is what 73. Then 44 70 with 70 column opaque. Now the 44 will subtract from the number on top. This number that I said is I mentioned as a certain number. You see, so 44 will subtract from that number, and it will give you 29. So the 29 will be your 4-box number. After that, repeat the 29. It's 1 to 90. I'll go over that again. So 60 drops in with 57. You're gonna meet two numbers addition of what? 121. So here 79 to 42 addition of what? 121. When I have a counting, we will see 73. Then you see 44, 73 packed. So the 73 represents a certain number. Like as in your mathematics, you say let's you use y as an example. So exemplify a number. So the 73 stands for a number. You see. Then you see 44 with a certain 70 column under it. So the 44 from this certain number, which is the 73 in this case, is 29. It will be a 4-box number. Therefore, repeat the 29 as 1 to 90. Now, the 44 in the number, the 70 column under it, the 70 column split into what? 2. So here you see 1360 giving you addition of that 73. So what do you do? Now, this 29, you see the two numbers addition of what? 121. 79 42 addition of 121. So the 29 that you've gotten as a result of subtracting 44 from the 73, giving you this 29, that is repeating that 29 from the 42 over here. The addition 121 figure, the machine one, which is the 42. The 29 from that number will give you what? 13. So that 13 from this 73 is the 60 that is meeting the 57 over here. Therefore, this 60 is moving to come and play with the 29 from this number, which is 13. So add the 13 to this 60, it is the 73 under the 44. Therefore, 1360 becomes too short. Then you come and add 10 the 57 over here and add it to it, making it 4 numbers. Let me go over that again. 60, 57. So here 79, and this represents addition of 121 figures. 60 represents a certain number, meeting 57. So counting with, we meet 73 as a certain number. So as for 44, 73, represent 44 with a certain 70 column under it. Alright, so when that happens, a number drop at 4 boxes and repeated away from the number. It is the 44 from this certain number, which is 73. The certain number that I mentioned, 73. The 44 from that number is 29. So that 29 will drop at 4 boxes and repeated. Now, if you're able to get that 4th number that is repeating, that 4-box number from come here to the addition of 121 figures, the 4th number that is repeating from the machine one, the 42, it will give you 13. So if you add a 13 to this 60 here, you'll be getting 73. And that 73 is the number that ran under the hot 44 here. Therefore, split it back to 17, 1360. You understand it? And the 29 repeated. Then you turn the 57 to 75. So you got 4 numbers. So the 84, I'll tell you something about 84 later. So let me go to the second video. second section, the second time plan. So here you see 40 as an only zero number. So the 40 represents 60 with 57 machine. You see, counting with, you saw this, 74, 47, addition of 121, 74, 47, addition of 121. So counting with, you come and see 54. So the 54 represents the 73, as I mentioned, as a certain number over there. So here it is 54. So going into the 54, following week, you see 44 again with a certain 70 column. Here, the 70 column is now 7, so 44 will be under it. So now, if you subtract the 44 from this 54 over here, you get 10. It's the 10 that dropped at 4 box last week. Therefore, as for 10, it's repeating. It's 1 to 90. It is repeating. You see? So let me go over that again. This 40 representing 60. So we meet 57. So counting, we come and see 74, 47, addition of 121. Then you come and meet 54. The 54 in the first one is the 73. You see, as a certain number. So now, following 44 will drop with a certain 70 column under which. So if you subtract the 44 from this 54, is the 10 that drop at 4 box. Therefore, repeat the 4 as 1 to 90 banker. Now, like the way the 73 under the 44 split it into 1360, the same way you should split the 7 into 2 numbers that will give you 77. So what do you do? Now that you got your 10 that is repeating, go and subtract the 10 from this 47. This and this is 121. So if you get a 10, like the way you subtracted this 29 from this 42 and got 13 and added the 13 to the 60 to get 73, with the 73 falls under the 44 here and the 1360 came. Come here and do the same thing. So as you subtract 44 from 54 and got 10, the 10 drop at 4 balls exactly. That says the 2. Then now you subtract the 10 from this 47, you'll be getting 37. So if you want addition, 77, if you subtract 10 from this 47 and got 37, add the 37 to the 40, you'll be getting 77. The 40 that made the 57. So subtract this 10 from the 47 and you'll be getting this 37. Add the 37 to this 40, you'll be getting 77. So the 77 will run as addition number to come under the 44. Therefore, 37, 40 should be 2 direct. 47, 30. 37, 40 should be 2 direct. Let me go over it again. So here, 40, 57, 74, 47, addition of 121. You can't meet 54. Then 44, 77 will pack. Subtract the 44 from the 54, you get 10. The 10 will drop at center 4 box to meet the double. So it's a 70 column under the 44. So that 10, if you want the 2 numbers to give you addition of 77, subtract the 10 from this addition 121 figure, the machine 1. So 10 from 47 will give you 37. If you add a 37 to this 40, you'll be getting what? 77. So it's the 77 that drop under the 44. Therefore, the 2 numbers addition 77 should drop. That will drop, will be 37, 40. 2 should. Now, the 57 minus 10 to 75. So you add it like the way 10 on the other one. The 57 minus 10 to 75. That one is further. So 75. Now, the 84 on the line is this. This is what my assumption is, my opinion is. You see, the 59 over here. You see, from 144, 143, the 59 from 143 will give you this 84. Now, if you see 84 here, also from 143 will give you the same 59. Now, see the trick. If you subtract this 59 from 143 and got 84, the 84 from 114, this 84 that you will get from 114 is this 30 that drop at machinery. You see, therefore the 84 becomes banker. You see, if you subtract this from 143 and got 84, 84 from 114 is the 30 in machine, therefore bring the 84. Now, if you come here, you subtract this 84 from 143, you get 143, you're getting 59. So the 59 from 114 is the 55 in machine here. Therefore, you must add 59 to the number. It's vice versa. You see, the 84 and the 59, they are interchanging. You see, so that's what they are doing. Now, I've forgotten something here. Here, when the 29 drop at 4 ball, you saw 62. Here to currently there's 62 in machine, but I'm not going for that as a constant. I'm not going for the 62 as a constant figure. What I want to do rather is that since the 60 from 122 is the 122 is the 62 here. This 60 from 122 is the 62 here. You see, so the 60 becomes banker. So since here is 40 from 122, rather give 82. So you see 82 too here. You see 82 in machine over here. So that is just what the bit I wanted to add. So it's difference 20. The 60 and 40 are difference 20. So if this is from 122 giving 62, even though the 62 serves as a constant figure here, so the 40 from 122 will also give 82. That is why the 82 land in the machine here. So there's 82 in machine. Therefore, 42 is another strong bank. About the event, the old plan is also dangerous. 1360, I don't know. You can also. So those of you who are interested, you can pen the event. I have another plan that you gave me 46 banker, but I have to just ignore it. So my banker for today is 37. See, 37.40. Too sure. Then 10, 37.40. You see, then 10, 37.40, 75. Then 10, 37.40, 75, 59. So these are my numbers. 37, too sure, 37.40, addition 77. Then 3 numbers. 10 will repeat. 10 is banker. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. This 10. 10. So 10, 37.40 is my best number. 10, 37.40. 3 numbers. 10, 37.40, 75. My best 4 numbers. Then the event is 10. By searching for all the numbers on the event, I got 10, 37, 40, 75, and 59. These are my best 5 numbers. So thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity coming your way. This midweek, and this is sponsored Loto channel. Grateful joining with you on another wonderful session. Let's see what happens today. Yesterday we had only one leg, only the 57 drop. Now we have a case. If you have another drop at first ball, then we don't win. So if you have another drop at first ball, so we have to be thinking, hey, Asabu, it will pass. We are going to win them heavily. It is a joke. All they are doing, they are just a laugh at them. Our time is coming very soon. The time is coming. So I'm grateful once again. Another wonderful session. Great audience. I'm here for you always. Thank you very much.